Happy painting to everyone! Hi, welcome to my Patreon page. I'm Soshnikova Lena from Ufa, Russia. I'm addicted of pastel painting at least 6 years. I love to share tips and techniques that will help you to grow as an artist and hope to inspire you on your painting journey. I have been teaching pastel painting through my blog here and YouTube videos. On my YouTube channel you can find some free content, drawing tutorial, product reviews, studio tips and my ideas for creation. My inspiration are seascapes, sky and landscapes of different time of the year. I am always looking for new ideas and love to share my find. My main idea is to enjoy the painting process. No matter what your level of experience, I want to make the learning process easy and simple while challenging you. You are do it for you, and this time of creation should be amazing. If you choose to be a supporter, you will receive an ongoing variety of instruction in pastel and painting. I will offer monthly themes with step-by-step demos, videos and reference photos library. With your support as a patron, I will have time to create more art and instruction resources, so I would like to say big thanks for your support. Thank you.